So, have you been thinking about getting a CDL license, making a bunch of money, but you're scared because you don't know how to drive a tractor trailer? Well, here at Driving Academy, our job is to make it easy for you. Let's show you how easy it actually is to back up this tractor trailer straight. Alright, so one of the hardest parts of actually learning how to drive a tractor trailer is knowing how to back up this baby nice and straight. It's very simple. The key is turn to where you see the trailer. Follow me and I'll show you how. So I'm going to be backing up the trailer and I'm looking at both my mirrors. If I see the trailer on the right, I'm going to turn to the right. If I see the trailer on the left, I'm going to turn to the left. See the trailer on the right, I'm going to turn to the right. See the trailer on the left, I'm going to turn to the left. See the trailer on the right, I'm going to turn to the right. If you do this, it's super simple, as you can see. Now, of course, I'm a professional. It may be harder than you think it is, but we got you, no problem. Alright, so backing up these things are not as easy as it looks. But the trick is small turns and turn to the same side you see the trailer. Look to the left, turn left. Look to the right, turn right, so on and so forth. It's not going to be as easy as your car, but as long as you do this, you should be A-okay. And boom, just like that, we got it done. Alright, we're going to be backing up the trailer. Look to the right, turn right. If the trailer's on the right, look to the left, turn left. The trailer's on the left. It's easy. You're actually going to the best school in the country here at Driving Academy. And just like that, we are done. All right, so that being said, that's how you back up a tractor trailer straight. This is one of the hardest things you're going to learn, and like I showed you, it's going to be super simple. So if you're ready to actually start your career and get your CDL license and make the money that you're after, click on the link below and check out the best CDL school in the country here at Driving Academy. Hey, thanks so much for watching this video. If you want to get your CDL license, you know where to go. Check out our website, cdldrivingacademy.com, right over there. And if you like this video, you'll definitely like this video right over here. So make sure you check that out. But before anything else, make sure you subscribe. And I'll see you soon.